Hello YouTube. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm bored as fuck, so I thought I'd do a video on dissecting an air bomb. So let's see what's inside this thing. Looks like it's just gonna be like a little cylinder that I could probably still light. Should put the fuse in. Yeah, it's gonna be like a little firecracker. See? There it is. And that's what comes out of the air bomb. So whatever this is, it's probably flash powder. The only thing is, I don't know how I'm going to be able to get a fuse in this, because the fuse goes to lift charge, which is just black powder, as you can see, and then the lift charge ignites the black powder at the end of this, so I think that's what blows it up. So I don't know where I would put the fuse. So I don't know what I'm going to do if I light this on. Because the fuse, if you put it back in the hole, it just goes right into the black powder. So, I don't know. But either way, this is what comes out of an air bomb. And tomorrow, I will figure out a way to blow this up. Right? So, tell me what you guys think.